We're excited to introduce a new look to Purple Mash, bringing a fresher feel and a smarter experience for teachers and pupils alike. A visual refresh that brings a clearer layout, better organisation and a more personal experience. While the appearance has changed, it still includes all the great schemes, tools, games and resources you already know and love. The platform has been refreshed to feel clearer and more intuitive while keeping the same trusted Purple Mash experience at its heart. One of the biggest improvements is the redesigned homepage. It now offers a clearer layout with a stronger visual structure and more personalised options, such as the introduction of the My Mash section, which allows you to favourite resources and collections and add them to the front screen. This, combined with recently accessed tools and apps, and the ability to change your background and colours, make for a much more personal experience. We've also made it even easier to find the things that you need. Applications and categories now feature larger titles, clearer labels, more concise descriptions, subject tags, and age suitability indicators too, helping teachers quickly see what's relevant. Teacher-only resources are also clearly marked, making it easy for teachers to identify the content and tools designed for them. The search bar has also been redesigned to feel more consistent and more effective across the platform. As you type, autocomplete suggestions will help you find content faster, and more visible filtering options will make it easier to refine what you see after searching. You'll also be able to revisit any previous searches that you've done, and the improved search experience will work consistently across all areas of Purple Mash. You'll still use the product switch to move between our products, and nothing has been removed. Everything you already rely on is still there at a click of a button, from Purple Mash Library to Mini Mash. We're excited to bring you the new look Purple Mash, and we look forward to you exploring everything it has to offer.